Is that a street cleaner? You got anything to say, Jose?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, he's pretty cool though. Look at that shit. It's beautiful.
What about you, Mr. Fuck?
We're drinking our Tobo before we rage on. Damn, that's big. You know how big that is?
What is?
His urethra is 5/8 wide. 5/8 is almost a full
5/8
inch.
of what? You didn't say what?
Of what, Jose? Say an inch.
5/8 of an inch, yeah.
That's fucking huge, dog. I'll stick my pinky in that bitch.
I've been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy, 360 with the wrist, boy. Who the hell of them people is, boy?
We're gonna get out the way.
That's true. Fair enough. You're right. Nah, I really thought about it at that point.
What you gotta say about fat bitches?
Bitch, I got nothing to say about fat bitches.
They need love too.
They need love too. You're right, bro. No, I ain't gonna say it. I feel rude saying it.
We're at Monkey's Tail right now for Jared's birthday. Let's see how this goes.
You say you're a gangster, but you never pop nothing. You say you're a gangster, then you need to stop fronting. You've been hustling a long time, but you ain't got nothing.
Show him the Mr. Fuck dance moves. Fuck.
I hate shots.
I love y'all though. I love it. That's strong.
Like in a minute.
I'ma feel it.
It's still burning my lip.
Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel it burning in my kidneys. The intense shit.
Hey, Mr. Fuck.
I'll never lose.
Harder than that.
Not by you. He's saying just in general.
No, have I not? You have hit me harder. I won't hit you for playing Matt. Bitch, no one hits me for playing Matt. No. Whenever you
What?
Period. Anything.
No generalisms. Give me something specific right now.
That's stupid as fuck. You know that's stupid as fuck.
Ow.
What?
Yes, the handsome guy in the front.
I was wondering, what's the recommended amount of dedicated RAM I should have to a server?
Fuck. I forgot. I'm not good with scary movies. What's up, y'all? Me and Sam are at the movies to watch fucking scary stories. Some. Let's check it out.
How do you know all this stuff? Now you could go pro. Not gonna be me, but you're pretty good for this.
It's been a while.
3, 2,
I forgot
1,
that I
time
haven't
is
vlogged in
up.
like
Thank you so much for
forever.
playing Movie Shuffle. Now, concentrate on all the important stuff from Movie coming your way.
Do how I prepare my buns. My buns. Buns.
There's only one button.
For
I go play musical chairs.
Family, you gotta take it to the max. Test out your skills with a game of laser tag. Hey moviegoers, save your ticket stub and bring it to Maxwell for a free game of laser tag.
What?
You ready?
What a fucking coincidence.
Hey, it's Mr. Fuck.
Mr. Fuck came to party. Sponsored by Icy.